Building the Future, Green Building in the New Millennium, brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future. Our natural world is in crisis. We need solutions now. Join the conversation today.
Today's first season 2 deep dive is focused on mass timber, one of our favorite subjects. So we talked about this idea earlier in some of our episodes on season 1, but don't worry, if you've never heard about it before, it's actually not too different from traditional timber frame or post and beam construction.
That's right. We're simply using new technology here to beef up the structural strength of wood so it can compete with concrete and steel as a viable method for mostly urban infill projects. It's great for projects in cities that are really committed to lowering their environmental impact.
So important, Ian. And there are also opportunities with mass timber construction to speed up the project timeline and significantly lower costs during the build, something even traditional builders can get on board with, I'm sure. We can realize the environmental benefits of planting lots of trees, which literally sucks carbon from the air. And as long as we're sourcing the wood from sustainable forests, the building itself then becomes a carbon sink, continuing to absorb carbon from the atmosphere, just like a forest or a wetland or an ocean.
One of the biggest misunderstandings about mass timber is that you have to have a specialized crew who's done it before, knows exactly what they're doing. And it's actually the opposite. Because of all the building components are prefabricated offsite and delivered flat packed to the site, there really is no specialty work required. You just need a crane operator to guide the puzzle pieces in place, no different than any other construction site. But it's honestly no more complex than building a huge IKEA cabinet. Everything's engineered to fit together perfectly, which helps speed up that process and actually brings down labor costs as well, which then translates to a more efficient and cost-effective project.